Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this episode, I thought of giving you guys a tip as to how you can purchase a VR train ticket if you want to travel from Helsinki to Rovaniemi, Finland, which is the official home of Santa Claus. And if you want to have a glimpse of what's in Lapland, Finland, I have linked here some of my videos from Rovaniemi that I filmed during my recent visit. So without further waiting, from my knowledge, there are actually two easy ways for you to purchase VR tickets. First is, of course, via online. All you need to do is head to vr.fi, switch to English, of course, and now you're ready to look for the schedule. One of the reasons why travelers want to visit Rovaniemi via train is for them to experience getting into the Santa Claus Express train. It's an overnight train from Helsinki to Rovaniemi and vice versa. The Lapland Express takes a total of 12 hours. But in my case, I purchased a day ticket and it's a lot more cheaper, plus you get to see the outside scenery. So with this, all you need to do is follow the steps along the way until you are redirected to the checkout page where you need to type in your credit card details. However, in my case, VR website did not accept my credit card, so my second choice was to head to Helsinki Central Station where VR's office is located and purchase the ticket directly from there. So yeah, that is it you guys, pretty easy. And on the day of a train travel, all you need to do is have your ticket with you and check what coach number you need to board into. And now this is the part where I'll mute myself and show you what's inside the VR train. And if you have any questions, comment down below. I will gladly answer them. Thanks, and hope you will enjoy the VR train tour. Hasta luego!